months of thinking about taking my first solo trip, I'm finally making it a reality. I'm a little nervous, but mostly excited. So come with me as I explore, discover, and enjoy the beauty of Sagada. Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Sagada and ito yung magiging room ko for 2 days and 1 night. Naglakad kami kasi traffic. Pero ang ganda ng view. Amazing city. And here's the baka. Hey, baka. Nadaan ako baka. Hi guys. Ito na kami sa my church. Ayan yung mga kasama ko.
Our first stop is Sagada Church. No? The name of this church is Saint Mary the Virgin Church. It is an Anglican church po siya. No? It was introduced to us by the missionaries who came here in Sagada. Mga Americans po ang nag-introduce ng Christianity dito sa Sagada. Kasi believe it or not, we were not conquered by the Spaniards dito sa Sagada or dito sa Mountain Province. So, di ba halos lahat ng nag-introduce ng Christianity dito sa Pilipinas dito sa mga Spaniards yan. So, but not here in Sagada, yung mga Americans po ang nag-introduce ng Christianity dito sa Sagada.
Hello! Hi! Umuulan, umuulan.
So dito ang paglilibing ko dito is libre. Wala po yung bayad. Unlike some other places such as Manila, 2 years, 5 years contract, hindi ka nagbayad, kalansay mo. Welcome dito sa my hanging coffins area. No, actually, this is not the only place na meron tayong hanging coffins because starting from here until doon sa pinaka-southern na baba, that is a burial site. Okay? So dito lang po yung pinaka-maayos, pinaka-accessible, and pinaka-marami ang nahang na coffin. Okay? 20, 30. But now, 5 coins.
We are now at Sumagi Cave.
Lagi. Always worry for your own safety before worrying for
Guys, if you are seeing this, level 2 pa lang kami. Let's go! Bakit na kami guys? Babalik ulit kami.
Get na daw kayo.
Let's go!
Hi guys! So, this is gonna be my outfit for today. Napakalamig. It's 17 degrees. Ang alis namin is 4 a.m. Mag-start na kami na mag-hike. Tapos, hopefully, umayan yung weather. Makita namin yung sea of clouds imbis na sea of crowds.
Tungkod. Choose one. Let's go.
A few moments later.
We made it. Thank you, Lord. Hi! We made it to Marmar Hills! Yay! Ito yung first clearing for the month of November. Yes! Okay lang. No. Wow. Amazing.
Sagada.
Pansip Canton. Meron.
Kabil mo ka dyan sila.
Hotdog.
time to go home. First solo travel. 10 out of 10. Bye!